In this video, I will show you how to work the double wrap stitch. I'll be using our 8mm needles and our Wool and the Gang New Wave yarn in Duck Egg Blue. Let's get going. So to work this stitch, you can cast on any number of stitches onto your left-hand needle. After you've cast it on, you take your right-hand needle and you put it through the first stitch on your left-hand needle as you would a normal stitch. You then take your yarn and put it round your right-hand needle, but instead of putting it round once, you put it round twice. And then you pull it through like a normal knit stitch. As you'll see, you've now got 2 stitches on your right-hand needle, and then you drop that other stitch off the end like a normal knitting technique. So I'll just show you that again. So you put your right-hand needle into the left-hand stitch here. You bring your yarn round once and then once more, and then you pull it through and then drop that stitch off the end. So you're now going to work that stitch all the way to the end of the row. So I've now completed that first row. As you'll see, I now have double the number of stitches on my needle because I was wrapping the yarn around twice. It's always good as well to pull the fabric down after you've completed that first row, just to make sure it's completely as flat and as tight as it can be. So I'm now going to make a start on the second row. So for this row, I'm going to be working into the main stitch of each section. So I'm going to put my right-hand needle into the first stitch. And this time, instead of wrapping it around twice, I'm just going to wrap it round once, just like a normal stitch. So I wrap my yarn around the needle, pull it through, and then pull it off the end. And then with the extra loop of the yarn that I wrapped around originally in the first row, I just drop that off the end. And as you see, it creates a loop. So we're not actually adding more stitches, we're just making the fabric loopy. So then you just complete that until you get to the end of the row. So I'm now down to the final 3 stitches on my needle. So I bring my yarn over, push the loop off the end. And I've now completed the double wrap stitch. Thanks for watching.